Alright guys, welcome back to the Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
I'm Mike.
And we got the Hellcat, guys. We're working on it. We got it painted. It turned out super nice. We're super happy about it. Unfortunately, the color didn't match. It's a little bit darker than factory, but we're painting the whole thing, so not a big deal. I think it looks even better.
Yeah, I like it. It's very custom, very unique. It's a darker, more of a rich purple color. It's nice.
Yeah, so it's gonna be one of a kind.
Yeah.
This time, Michael's gonna put the doors on. I still gotta paint the hood and the deck lid and some other little pieces. But we're gonna put it together and see how much we can get done.
I'm excited. It's gonna look great. Put everything back together. Parts are painted that I do have. It's gonna look really nice.
And also, we're doing the giveaway. We're gonna tell you who won from the last one. And this one we're doing a giveaway too. So all you have to do is comment Hellcat, subscribe, like the video, and follow us on Instagram.
All right. After that, we gotta look at the gaps. Good thing Ivan's a gap master. If I have ever issues, but Ivan. looks so excited at it.
It's the fun part, putting it together. Gotta be really careful not to scratch it. Because you can make the painter really mad.
Looks like you're leaning on it.
I'm not.
Oh, it looks like it?
It's all good. I'll repaint it if anything. Just kidding.
Oh, look at him. He's totally laying on that car.
No, I'm not touching it. This is our first all-over paint job?
On a Hellcat.
Let's check it out.
There we go. Look at them gaps. Good. Perfect.
I did.
Ooh, this looks good. Look at me. You can see it or not. Amazing. No one's too excited at it. This is nice. I love it.
I was more excited about painting it. I like painting.
Get it on.
Alright guys, it turned out fantastic. Crazy plum, dark purple. It's nice.
Nico brother version.
Yeah,
purple.
Nico brother version. It's custom, one of a kind of thing. It looks amazing. I love how the sun's hitting it, how it's shining.
Yeah,
It's great.
The door we put on, the fender, the hood, the bumper. It's turning out super nice.
Very nice.
The sun's hitting it, you can see it's like dark and then bam.
Purple, the deep, rich purple color. I love it. Still a lot of work to do. We just want to put the parts on, see where we're at, so we don't scratch anything. We'll keep it together. The hood turned out really nice, but it's a little darker, so we might have to repaint it. We'll see how that goes. Just depends on how it turns out at the end. But yeah, I mean, it's coming along. It won't be long now before we get on the road and get it out there.
Also, we're doing the giveaway, guys. We're gonna pick the 3 winners from last time, and you guys can still enter this time if you don't win this time.
Yeah, there's always more chances.
All you have to do is subscribe, comment Hellcat, and like the video, follow us on Instagram, and very simple.
Yeah, guys,
you guys
make
can
sure
win one too.
Make sure you subscribe. That's all. That way you won't miss anything when we post the new videos.
And we appreciate you guys. You guys, we've been getting more and more people subscribing. We're growing our channel, and we want to show you guys more content.
Yeah, we're gonna keep going. If you guys like it, we'll keep posting them. Stay tuned.
Let's pick that giveaway.
All right, guys, it's time to pick our winner for the giveaway. I'm out of the office, but the show must go on. Not a problem. I'm gonna load all the comments that we have for this, our last video for the Hellcat, and it looks like we got 377 comments. Not so bad. We're gonna do 3 winners. So I'm just gonna randomly pick 3. Let's see if you win. All right, our first winner is Joseph Oliver. Joseph, congratulations. We're gonna go ahead and comment you that you won. Go ahead and email us your information. We'll send that over to you. All right, let's keep going. Our second winner is gonna be Richard Birmington. Richard, congrats, you won as well. Let's find one more. All right, last chance, guys, let's go.
Last chance, you guys. Don't forget, we're still doing a giveaway on this video. Just comment Hellcat, and you guys will enter. Subscribe, like the video, follow us on Instagram. All the info is going to be in the description below.
Here we go. All right, and our last winner is Jerry Magnifico. Jerry Magnifico, congrats, you won also. We're going to send you over the Hellcat plaque. Hope you enjoy it. Continue watching our builds. Hellcat's coming along. There's still a lot of little work to do for sure. The interior, put it all together. We got to get all that together, but it's coming along and it's turning out great.